ni Wero TV.
Noe Munini wa Spika ndene ya bunge ya Meru no kaire nowe MC wa wodi aja turi ntere cia Njia ntere cia mwirigo joe gembe. Karibu sana mutegeri wa Wero TV kire mubango joa GIKARO ntuko naru nkoreterete mheshimiwa Mwenda ali wigwa ithro kiwero gono rwawe na nkuruki makarika jombere kwero ja karika na jomba kwero ja ki turia mundu na kieba jomba kwero rikijura Meru lakini tugashokira ngai nkatho nontu bokwithirwa agicokera na inkuona netete na mbere bwega. Karibu sana mheshimiwa kethi Meru.
Asante County. Mbere kankethie antu ba Meru na antu ba Njia na nture na eturi.
Turi gwitagwa ate?
Gwitagwa Gitwa Mwari village. So utegeri wende wa Wero TV tukethie sana. Neita ntethro nkioneka.
It's been a while.
It has been a while.
Okay,
almost 4 months. But in the sawa. Yeah.
How have you been?
County
Karugendo karare busy.
Bete Karwanda kanene. But kambira Meru. Na ntubanjia na ntuba maromba yao na support Mwenda rea. Na Murungu na mpainya. Physically inkuibwa ndi sawa na inye emotionally. Bombite kuora. Yeah.
Na mbere ndi tuchoka kinya tuja siasa ne nkuri Mwenda alino.
Mwenda ali
uchoki way back.
Kiuriki kiomo. Lakini Mwenda ali nuobwe nualai. Mwenda ali ashariri ntore na ya Gitwa Mwari. Miaka mingi muno nyuma. Ba twende tuiba the Millennium Group. Nda ashariro aitwa Mwari village. Buriarure sublocation and Tubeiga location in Kangeta division. Ibu tumita Kangeta division. Ndathoma shukuru yetu wa Thamare primary school. Thamare is not far from here. Au ni Thamare ite. Ndakumathara ndeta Buriarure.
Wow.
Buriarure just across. So it's within sublocation. So kama wako primary school high school, they're the same sublocation. But graciously, indetere kuloma Eldoret, ndeta kubuidia mantu ya ndawa. Basically profession yako ama clinician. Na ndewita na ringi ntangi vire up na kithomo. I went back to school again. Ndeta kubuidia my masters, Nairobi University. Na currently I'm doing my PhD.
Wow, I need some motivation.
Nkiona my accident. In fact, in between that week, I did so many things. With a PhD in clinical psychology, Daystar University.
Daystar.
Yeah, in between. To be the man to my gym. In fact, I'm an alumni of so many of them.
Kwambira Thamare primary.
So Mwenda nuo. Udaktari mbere posting yakwe mbere ere kuntukitwa Kathiani.
Ikamba.
Kathiani is in Ukambani. Ndekuma Kathiani I was transferred to Igembe South. Ndaritango eku for some time. Nyambene District Hospital. Then ndeta Mutwati Sub-County Hospital. Then ndeta Kangeta Sub-County Hospital. And au nionda resign and join politics from Kangeta. That is February 2022. We don't honor inkuritira antu ba Meru ngwemno. Na in between passion ire kwa ya kuserve antu. Kuinteract na patient sibitari ishi ya adhirikari indone kwa na challenge. Muno the region of Igembe. A case in example inda ari Nyambene. You can imagine the whole of Nyambene region tutiona a male ward.
Up to today.
The whole of Nyambene region itiona a surgical ward. Kwa Nyare to share one ambulance between these 3 sub-counties. So these are challenges. Imaresha and Tomeresha in politics. Na me other serving our people kisiasa. When daktari no idaro ina kanya still kakuritangwe ku privately. Bidiri ndena hospitali ya kwa Maua town. Itawa Angels Health Services in Maua town from 208. So in between guadrikari neku but we are allowed to do that.
Yes.
No tututari awa kintuketa wa and practice allowance. So that is me. So I joined politics. Tokuma kiao nine. Murungu atuiberu kiao. Antuba Njia batwa support. Da MCA wa Njia na kure nyingi mno. Ande bashokire nkatho mno. Karuari antuba dingire kure nyingi mno. Almost 5,000. History. Antuba batwira oshinda bajura na kunda 2,000, 3,000. But daringiro kura almost 5,000. Nimbera antuba ngai na Njia mno, thank you. Na Meru. Na turi weta assembly ya Meru. Rengi ntangi up. Ndona no mpe their deputy. Rengi daria na colleagues 69. Ndabera I feel no ndibu bangani nkayo deputy. Graciously ndikuromba kurira na shindo mbere kwewa kura almost 40. Out of 69. Ndiko ne uni winine mno. So nandeba shonkire nkatho my colleagues MCAs. No ntubwa ubetikiria ndeba tongeria. So I'm the deputy speaker county assembly ya Meru. Na batwi tuitite mzuri. Na tukumawe Meru tukuendelea. Mungu atutethia this time round. Turetera young generation. Anabai soba. Na twatirimana ya twatimanira yo. So nyamurungu nethero ene etumi kureta generation eitaririku no ntu itwethire changamoto nyingi muno ke leadership ya Meru utongeria bo Meru muno autwethira kwina challenge. So but tuko bado tusieta wakombozi ba Meru na ni otore county
na no shumiri muno Mwendali watuika critic umunene sana wa governor wa Meru. Why is that? Mwankanto boria, is it something personal? Kai muritero yangoge utekwenda
county apart from Otongeria and Njia. I'm the deputy speaker county assembly ya Meru.
Yes, you are.
So ndo ekwa apart from kuruira Njia kinya Meru indo kumere nkomorone ya Meru. That's why I'm the deputy speaker county assembly ya Meru. Na trust ira we kairo Mutongeria. Ndo kamata iroto bibinje mno on the way. Na ngwene Otongeria at all times uringiro kura wethwa leader ula wa maisha yaku wakamata baba inyumeku. So apart from wakamata antu Njia murio ya MCAs ba Meru bonde yo nkorone kwa na that's why wona winde mustari ombere no nture abandingire kura 40 kwa kintu bonete kiuyu
of course
na linda all the time kinya ki the markist of mad Mutongeria nura cia way out. So taking to tuna kyo personal na kawira kintu kila turoyana kyo na kawira ni incompetency. Me the moment to become an incompetent person like moral share kwa or principle share kwa utemeo shura nambia and that is my study. Kinyoke ya wandetera 2 million no nto akiri ke is in the mind of kombraibanto bakondoni emanto ya kuendelea Meru. That's why ndaromere na ndairita na the biggest critique kwa Meru ititite boya na thina ya Meru imuntu mwe witwa Kawira Mwangaza na thina yake ni incompetency na kulack basics cia governance. So tutomba kuikwiti una personal hatred no ideology yake cia kwa na cia most of our members itiwitaniria na uni otorina na tumura securia why do you want to run Meru like baite kiosk kana baite fellowship no monkatu differentiate issues yariko na niyo contention it is the biggest na ito ereti negotiation or along twitini the clergy twitini akorobanjori mediations of everybody has tried lakini nyaba bonde batu itaibo na batu MCAs we don't have an issue issue one person. Yeah.
So that's why you decided burakarande no at any point in time.
The first sitting twakorire na ndi na governor turi ukuringirwa kura woro 5 days after kuringirwa kura na twitire riu tutari na our nominated colleagues twari the 45 elected MCAs. We sat down na we da muthikiriria but mind yake was simple, set for kolea ite itoteria Meru. The moment wakarandi na governor ambirie kuwa ui ankwenda burita no bokaringa siasa tutari shukuru uinda agaritie na nduba Njia bampa.
Of course no convince
DMK na aritie na nduba Bogeta West bamwakura idile na aritie na nduba Kithi bamwakura Morris na aritie na nduba Kirangondu bamwakura na baba inge muno. So turoka lomande version yake turite ngoira ikuiria muntu kiombe tira shikuiria mbi
Ameru bonde
ningo itorite ngoira shikawiria muntu kiombe like twa to kwa ngambut tu tonga in person ndakuretera mattress you are okay tukuretera blanket
you okay
to yana ngombe mweru ira one person yona
you are okay
you okay you need to mob psychology in politics na tuona tuenderetie ite wetana in tandem na manifesto ira twarasho like uye Njia na mura governor. In fact we ndamo posera wa from the first day. Damwira Njia is one of the ward itona a vocational training center. The village polytechnics. Damwira ndinda itetenkera ntuba Njia no monka to bawre to bokerembi polytechnic. Kena tona plumbers tona yana bakuritana ngoi basics.
Of course.
Njia is one of the ward itona a level 3 hospital. That is a health center. In the return to Njia kabakira mbi
health center.
Njia in history barabara pathetic itwerite antu banjia tukarita ngoireku itwabaete hope eroi itwakolomete tukawana beto babanje mno they have degrees diplomas masters na batina ngoi ibyo tuenderetie antu bi manifesto but the moment tuambira woi imbetenkashi antu banji ompaye kanya ke baita TV in a week kuona nia mattress mwetu ameshogera 5 times kana blanket mwetu ameshogera 6 times kana tukaende ngombe mama iliza tu Njia bakaroira it didn't anchor well in na inda wera ntiura fallacy eu and that's why I'm a critique of Kawera Mwangaza and I don't think kwiroto akora ndinwe to itikaniria in terms of manifesto na anga change but akamari my manifesto as Mwendali na inkamari manifesto yake eku make sense as Kawera Mwangaza. That is only difference.
That is the only way bokaiganwa te personal. Na umirete mono mwange karaja personal.
Te personal. Yeah, it's not personal.
Na mweshi way back maybe before tonya politics noiji at some point no are interest na siasa kana it's something to crop up.
We are along. I was silent. Kadinya ndo banjye muno balwela jira ibakashi ora pen. I was too silent. Too shy to some extent. Later on, they could join higher institution of higher learning. Au nyo interested to siasa ya umere muno yekwa. Indombere kumaki leadership ya student. Na from there and there yarengi
ko ambere siasa wewe boy monitor.
Yes. Rengi regress kidogo ya dormant. Ndamwa kuritira ntungwi but imurungu wekaira kento in the heart of a man so passion area ku interact na patient on their suffering kuithira we so close na community ku hotel area okay there are patient mamba bare ya pathetic mtu atikuonenya the basic thing era kwenda so nkoro kwa yo kumera siasa ariku na ndambiri hotel in fact we ndambiri ya charity work Dabiria program ekuthomeria twana in my own ways way back in 2010 na irondo ya kana kamere an orphan be madikone somewhere the lower part of Njia do ya mwana we form 3 as we speak kwengiwe na for form 1 kwengiwe class 8 at least I have like anabana kuthomeria in my own ways na ndambiri in TMC So passion ya kwera ya kumere nkorone kuona suffering yantu ku feel how can you help ikintu kia na ata umbotedi antu baba kurethi na iriku dalu eliendo na kwena ngap ke atongeria baratu utara at that time no our region na feeling we ya nkorone kwa the wende no ntu batu kuringira kura baba nje maybe batena know how ya suffering ira ntu bakwanda ngu ya mushunko wire health is wealth
ima
dalu eli the whole of Nyambene Nyambene is vast na muno Igembe is vast. In fact Igembe to in 3 sub counties. There is 3 constituencies na 6 sub counties. 6 sub counties. It in a referral hospital. You feel that? In fact Kinyamog ire just the other day. So mtu akiyo kwa the hairy region of Igembe aenda Meru. Whether tena biashara weta private mortgage Methodist. You can imagine that. So in this hospital mwachi yake yankamwattend Nyambene apas mtu wao kama 3500 utimochari. So naiba chopeni mnoko era mtu yoke this body wende Meru. Mtu ena care back ambiria kurira. I just have 500 shillings. How do I carry this body? Mbitanyoko Meru. Hospitali au ni yote na ndo aweka mwili. So I was feeling pain. Kwa mtu carry this body wane anyora ale ni umushi. Then you plan
for body
how to transport this body to Meru. Accidents ya boda they are so rampant in this region to utesanjiko ward. As we speak. Kinyadai. Mtu akaunika kurwa kukenda wikirwa ira shito orifs chumaira mwashuno munkaite Meru General as we speak
2024
a male man like me kananto murume ongea yake awashwe Nyambene in fact itu Igembe the 6 sub counties you have to refer that patient to Meru monkadha iriku monkadha mwashi yake ya kwenda CT scan
Meru
the whole of Nyambene
no at level 5 Meru
no monka refer ku
Meru.
So these are practical challenges that tukuirantu ituenda atongeri bomba kwa address issues iriku and that's what to in a contention na kawira muno bad no ntito mwira mbia iyo tumira kubwidi okolea ishure CT scan machine yikwe one of the regions in fact it was a very good plan but we winde member committee health that's when we health is wealth to apin regions to ya Meru in 4 regions region yembere to were ni to Igembe region to hospitali ile maua we should fight to me equip na birabi onde kwenda at least a referral center ya the Igembe region to etato apik hospitali to Muriri hapa Mudhara to Mudhara for Tigania region itu me equip a model level 4 hospital either referral center and tobacco but Tigania to Etaburi there is an hospital in Timau to where we pick that hospital to me equip a model level 4 hospital yombe hoteli and tobacco Baburi then the main region to a pick Kanyankine to what it pick these 4 regions to show me to empower these hospitals at least there was a CT scan male ward surgical ward consultant kenda ntubeto bere mtu akinya Meru level 5 at least it non hoteli na tumba con decongest Meru level 5 these are our plans we start down with the CEC in charge
actually level 5 ya require referral
yes tomueleza the scenarios we have no ntu assembly ratu na madaktari like me na bangi like 3 of them in fact we are 4 medics assembly remedy na bangi batumbaka na tokara ndito ambia this program ziratomba kwa ile bureko funding governor no more wa posire mantu yariko how do we help you with what tumba kutekwenda tutedi anto betu then to at want level to everyone neither when a model level 3 hospital that is health center at interested in that arenda drama shekura ngombe drama cia kwaya na gambut, drama cia kacianto, so we cannot buy that.
And you know, we did the Senate Mosh for the 3rd time.
In fact, yes, but this is the 4th impeachment we
have. The 4th actually.
This is the 4th impeachment we have. Now we can even have a 5th one or 6th one. We don't care.
You're not relenting.
But we choose to pay the ultimate sacrifice for a fair and a better Meru. Now in the mustari for that. Na until election 2027. That's why I tell the residents of Njia. If losing my seat to fight for your right, I'm ready to pay that price. Na wintegera kwana ni uramtwara wakokana inenjioni yala imo chindi. So kuruira antu ni kintu kya maana. Na tutirende kuria bribes. Like now ituko ele nkirwambia 3 million, 2 million. Yeah. Turekana na the work before us. So but utema anore ambia antu bare dina. Iwilana. So auni otori county.
Na Mosh, let's talk about this unfortunate incident yombere kwithiro gikarika yombere 4 months ago. What really happened? Nata wakarikire anto bari timanto amaingi. Now that you're here, murugu na wikite moyo. It's good you put it clear.
Sure. Bere kancho kerie anto ba Meru nkadho muno muno by extension anto ba Kenya na muno anto ba Njia. Dibere thank you kuma the bottom of my heart. Tedro dena kanya kosho kyankadho. In fact kuma ndona accident era ndona ile tariki ile mweri yoena. This is my first day. Bere ikwira murungu iboya. The moyo today, irrespective part of me, kwithiro by 6 feet under. Take it easy, county.
It is not.
Kintu kila kiomba kwa penera mushari wende kulusia na bale.
I agree.
It's never easy. Na take lose your moka lose bele at once. So I lost my 2 precious daughters, Patricia na sister Melissa. Mungu na mpete grace ku accept na ku heal. It is not easy, but I know but I am the joy I have in my heart. Be my 2 sweet daughters by somewhere special. Na by Mungu. Kintu kira kyankarekire on 2nd was planned. Kintu kyari planned.
Na tokuwa planned.
Ngakinyangu kueleze why I'm saying that. Kintu kyari planned. Nonto county tumire safari from here to place wetu Katodori in Embu around there. I'm telling a story randondele. Now see, the dead don't tell stories. Lakini I can give a story. Ngarire turingire on purpose. Nonto kutari nyanga ari njirene yo. Winda ari nyuma na my late daughter, the young daughter, the 2.5 years, Patricia. Her sister na ari mbere, Bena driver. My driver was around. Winda nyuma indonre 70 meters dona ngari ya umake linia yo.
Nauri.
Na ere in full gear. Na tashi ayo ire on. Nanda lati my driver ndamwira area wewe ngari riko. He was trying au mas jirene au malini yaketa the extreme left. Me umete side weight on the left side. Umete the other side you come on the right. So at the extreme left na park gari. To my surprise, garira yeyire aiming to the left side.
Kitu ilikuwa imepangwa na maisha hawa watoto. Mungu yuko.
Ndia tuseme kama kuna yeyote yule anayejua aliyepanga ama kuhusika Achia Mungu.
Alivyoenda ndonete thina yeye, lakini ndonere accident leo ni te muntu agenda ombora ngarere ingere ali okaendera thirikari etaniata jera ni nyingi nyatu itotani bwana, na tunaomba serikali iharakize tujue hiyo siri. Kokendera kuora usukete ke kukia toana to na akare mwana ocho thirikari akijelewa rungu amwa ukiri